How to make an album on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can make an album on SoundCloud. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, get your tracks ready. So once you have all of your songs mixed and mastered properly, now to create an album on SoundCloud, first of all, open up SoundCloud in your device and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you're logged in now, you have to create a new playlist that is your album. Albums on SoundCloud are uploaded as playlists. So to create a new playlist, tap on the library option from the menu bar at the bottom and head towards your playlist. Tap on create playlist and now name your playlist. Then tap on save. If you want to make it public, make sure to turn on the toggle, then tap on save. So once you have your playlist ready, now head back to home page, tap on the upload icon at the top and here select your music or the track that you want to add on your album. Under that, you have to select the title. You can also pick the genre. You can describe your tag and also add the additional caption on your post. To make it public, turn on the toggle. Once you're done with that, tap on save at the top right corner. And now once you have uploaded this track, you can add these songs into your preferred playlist or album, and with that, now your album is live and ready to share for fans to stream. That's it. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.